Myself, Mohammad Jilani from CSE B section. My concept video topic is about standard input output function in C. Input output in C. C has no built-in statements for input or output. A library of functions is supplied to perform this operation. The IO library function are listened that header files studio. You do not need to memorize them, just be familiar with them. Streams. All input and output is performed with streams. A stream is a sequence of characters organized into lines. Each line consists of 0 or more characters and end with the new line character. ANSI standard specify that the system must support lines that are at least 254 characters in the length, including the new line character. Types of streams in C. Standard input stream is called std and is normally connected to the keyboard. Standard output stream is called stdout and is normally connected to the display screen. Standard error stream is called stder and is also normally connected to the screen. Format output with printf. Printf, this function provides for format output to the screen. The syntax is printf format variable 1, variable 2. The formats includes a listing of the data types of the variable to be output and optionally some text and control character s. Example float a, int b, scanf %f %d, a and b. Printf, you entered %f and %d by n of a, b. Formatted output with printf. Format conversation specifiers. D. Display a dynamical base 10 integer I used with other specifier to indent a long. E. Displays a floating point value in exponential. Displays a floating point value. G. Displays a number in either E or F format. Displays a single character. S. Displays a string of characters. Input output in C. Scanf. This function provides for a formatted input from the keyword. The syntax is scanf format and variable 1 and variable 2. The format is listing of the data types of the variables for the input, and in front each variable name tells the system where to store the value that is input. It provides the address for the variable. Example float a, int b, scan %f %d, a and b. Input output in C. Get char. This function provides for getting exactly one character from the keyboard. Example character ch is equal to get character. Input output in C. Put character of character. This function provides for printing exactly one character of the screen. Example character ch is equals to get character. Input a character from kbd. Put character ch displays in it on the screen. Input output in C. Get file. This function is similar to the get character except the input can be from the keyboard or a file. Example character ch get c string get c file print. Input output in C. Put char file. This function is similar to put char except the output can be to the screen or a file. Example character ch is equal to get c string output from keyboard. Put c character output to the screen. Put ch outfiller print output to a file. Thank you.